Hello students, this is class 6 maths video of chapter number 12, that is proportion. And in this exercise, question number 1 to question number 3 we have already done, and today we will start with question number 4. The first, second and fourth terms of a proportion are already given, that is 6, 18 and 75 respectively, and what we have to find the third term. So how we will find it? We will consider it that it is x, and then we will start our sum. So let's start with question. So here let third term is x. We have to find third term now, so we will consider it. Let the third term is x, and what are the proportion now? How we can write it? And the numbers are 6, 18, and third term we have let here x, and fourth term is 75. So now we have to find the proportion. We have to find the third term, so we will write it 6:18 is equals to x:75, and we will find the product of extremes is equals to product of means. 6 into 75 will be equals to 18 into x. So we have to find the value of x, and we'll take 18 toward the other side. When it will go to the other side, as they are in multiplication, so it will go in the division. So we can write it like this over 18. So by cancelling the numbers, 3 2s are 6, and then 6 3s are 18. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 25s are 75. So we will cancel it. We'll get the answer is 75. Right? If you don't know how to cancel it, then don't worry beta, just multiply both the numbers. Multiply the 75 with 6. You will get the answer, and whatever answer you are getting, just simply divide it with the 18, and you will get the required answer. Right? So next sum is find the second term. Here, as we have find third term here, but here we have to find the second term. So we will consider second term as x. Find the second term of the proportion whose first, third and fourth terms are given. So start writing the question. Question number 5. Let second term is x. So the numbers are, how we will write it now? So the numbers are 9, x, 8 and 24. And now we will start finding the value of x, that is 9:x will be equals to 8:24. Product of means extremes, that is 9 into 24 is equal to product of means, that is x into 8. We have to find the value of x, and it is in multiplication, so 8 will go in division. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. So this is the value of x. Right? So in similar way we can do the question number 6, that is find the fourth term of the proportion whose first, second and third terms are given. So how we will do? We will let the fourth term. So it will be written like this. Fourth term is x, and the numbers will be 18, 27, 32 and x. Right? Now find the product of extremes. 18 into x is equal to product of means. So before writing this, we should write it into the ratio, that is 18:27 will be equals to 32:x. Now you can find product of extremes and then product of means. So it will be 18 into x, 27 into 32. We have to find the value of x. Take it into the another side. It will go in the division. So it can be written as 18/18, right? You can cancel it easily by the table of 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32, 16 3s are 48. I have tell you already that if you don't know how to do cutting, don't get confused, just multiply and divide with the 18. This is the required answer of the question number 6. And then next is question number 7. This is the last question of the syllabus. The ratio of the length and width. Ratio of the length and width of a school ground is 5:2. Write down. This is the question now. The ratio of school ground is 5:2. Find the length. We have to find the length, so we will consider it x. Yes. If the width is 40 meter, width is given. So it can be written like this. Ratio of length and width is this. Width is equal to 40 meter. Let length is equal to x. Right, beta? So the ratio of length and width is already given. So we will write it also in ratio. Ratio of length and width. What it will be? It will be x ratio 40. Just compare both the ratios. X ratio 40 is equal to 5:2. Find the product of extremes. That will be 2x. Product of means 40 into 5. X will be 40 over into 5 over 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 20s are 40, 25s are 100. So x will be 100. And what is x? X is the length. So we can write, length is equal to 100 meter. That is the required answer. Right, beta? So in this way we have completed our exercise 12A, but if anybody required next term also, then they can tell. Otherwise in our syllabus question number 1 to 7 is given, right? Thank you, beta.